Hello class, good day. So this is my first time pre-recording your class, no? So I am a bit lonely because wala kayo dito to answer my questions. Anyway, sige lang, dandahanin lang natin to. So this is the continuation of our topic or first topic natin yung finals, which is determining the area of a plane surface using integration, kumbaga. So we are just focused on parabolas, no, or yung plane areas na involving parabolas. So recap natin saglit, 'di ba? We have naka-concave upward, this is the equation. Downward, this is the equation. To the right and to the left, this is their general equation, 'di ba? So sabi natin, in order for us to know the area of the plane surface, napaka-critical na dapat alam natin yung muka or itsura ng or figure mismo ng sinosolve natin na area. Okay? So recap lang din natin, 'di ba? So tinuruan ko kayo kung paano mag-derive ng formula. Ayan, paano yan dinerive, 'di ba? So, sabi ko sa inyo, wala ka dapat na formula na memorize. Dapat ikaw talaga yung gagawa ng formula because sometimes, no, medyo mahirap yung graphs natin. So therefore, you must be aware that hindi parating pabalik-balik yung formula. It depends upon the situation, kumbaga. Okay? So that was our discussion last week, diba? So this is its general equation, etc. and etc. Okay? So para mas masabtan pa nato itong lesson, we have another example. We have two examples for this day. So first thing is find the area. So bounded by the parabola y squared. And then is equivalent to 4x and the line y is equivalent to 2x minus 4. So therefore, we have two graphs. It is a parabola and the second one is a line, diba? So take note kanina, escape lang nato class. Escape, ayan. So kanina, y squared is equivalent to 4x. No, meron na tayong hint that our graph goes like this, diba? Kasi positive siya. Okay? So don't mind that, no? Then we have a line, kumbaga. So, therefore, ang pinapahanap sa atin is the area within, no? Bounded by the two graphs, di ba? So, therefore, for example, kanina nakita na natin that ang graph nito goes like that or something like that. O nakadikit siya sa ating origin kasi wala tayong plus something dyan and wala tayong plus y something dyan. So, therefore, nakadikit siya sa ating origin. And it is concave to the right, di ba? So next thing is yung line. Hindi natin yung alam. For example, na hindi nakita yung kanina. For example, we have a line here, no? Yan, mali lang sa atong graph, ha? So yung kinukuha natin na area is within those two. Yan siya. Di ba? So therefore, solve natin siya. Okay? So para mas hanay ta class, isulat sa anak ko siya nga naka-equation 1 and equation 2. So let us pick. This is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. So sulat lang natin, y squared is equivalent to 4x. Diba? That is our equation number 1. And this one, y is equivalent to 2x minus 4. This would be our equation number 2. Okay? So take note in determining the area of a plane surface, dapat alam natin yung kanilang intersection. Lalo na yung upper limit and lower limit in order for us, no, para ma-run through na to ang atoang strip. Pwede siya vertical strip or horizontal strip. So therefore, no, na-discuss natin last time, ano yung gagawin natin in order for us to know the intersection between our two graphs. No? Isip-isip saglit, no? Ano yung gagawin natin? Yes, that is to substitute one equation to the other one. Diba? I think na lesson na sa inyong algebra. Okay? So, assuming na lecture na ninyo, diba? So, substitute equation 1, I think equation 2 to equation 1. Bakit yan yung pinili ko? Kasi para sa akin, mas madali yung equation number 2. Diba? So, tip ko lang sa'yo, substitute mo yung mas madali sa mas mahirap. Diba? Kasi ito is y squared, ito is walang squared. So therefore, mas maganda if ito yung substitute natin sa kabila. Okay? So tip lang yan, pwede pagyapon na siya magbaliktad class. Para lang sa kuha masiyang kung easier na tawag dyan, equation ang i-substitute sa other one. Okay? So, proceed tayo dito. Adjust ko lang to ha. Ayan. Okay. So, dito, substitute natin siya magiging y squared, magiging open parenthesis, 2x minus 4, then close parenthesis, squared. Diba? This is equivalent to 4x. Diba? And then, i-expand natin siya, class. Magiging 2x minus 4 multiplied by 2x minus 4. It's equivalent to 4x. Ayan. Expand lang natin using FOIL. What is FOIL? That is first outer. Yes, first outer. Then I inner. Then that is our last. Diba? So distribute lang natin yan using FOIL method. So 2x times 2x, that is obviously 4x squared. Lagyan natin 4x squared. And then next thing is outer. Yeah, 2x minus times or multiplied by negative 4, magiging negative 8x. Tama ba, class? I hope that you're here, no? Na katubag sa kuha, 8x, another one. And then the last one is negative 4 multiplied by negative 4, that is positive. Diba? And that is 4x. Next thing is simplify natin, then we are going to find its roots. Diba? Para alam natin yung x, dalawang x natin. Okay, so 4x squared, copy lang yan. That is 4x squared. This one, negative 8 is negative 16. Lipat natin to sa kabila, magiging negative 4. So negative 8, negative 16, minus another 4. And that would be, pila? That is negative 20. X plus 16. Okay, kung na ako'y mali, class, i-chat lang ko. Okay, no? Pre-recorded man siya, so i-chat lang ko kung isang mali. Anyway, so dito, 4x squared is equivalent to 20x plus 16 siya. So therefore, i-simplify natin para mas madali nating makuha yung roots. Diba? So simplify natin by dividing lahat ng 4. Diba? Yung greatest common dividend nila. Tama ba akong istorya? No? Para makuha na to, x squared minus 5x plus 4. Ayan. It's equivalent to 0. Next thing is algebra. No? I hope that na-lesson ninyo getting the roots of our quadratic equation. Diba? So, in getting the roots, pwede ka mag-calculator, pero hindi ko tuturo yung calculator, no? Okay, what if, no? Or bawal na tong calculator sa board exam na magkuha roots. So, sige lang, mano-mano to for this day. Diba? So, ang gagawin natin is trial and error. Mag-iisip tayo ng dalawang numbers na pag i-multiply is 4, pag i-add natin is negative 5. So, try natin 2 and 2. That is 4, diba? Pero pag i-add nato sila is 4. Diba? So, hindi siya 5. So, ano pa ibang number? I think 4 and 1. Para 4 times 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Pero negative man, so i-negative pa lang natin silang dalawa. So, therefore, there you have it, no? The two roots. X sub 1 natin would be 4. Diba? Kasi lipat sa other side, maging positive. While our x sub 2 would be our 1. Diba? So therefore, proceed tayo. X pa lang ni siya nga coordinate, wala pa tayong y na coordinate. Take note, we have 2 points, no? Dili man siya mag-close kung 1 point lang siya mag-intersect. So good news kasi dalawang points niyo nag-intersect, so therefore proceed tayo. Okay? So first one is let x come back into your life. No, joke lang, no? Pag x na ginaulay come back. Anyway, so let x natin is equivalent to 4. So pwede mo yung i-substitute sa equation 1, equation 2. Same lang yung po yung answer. Pero para sa akin, no, para mas madali tayong matapos, i-substitute ko siya sa equation number 2 kasi mas easy siya, no, i-simplify. So i-erase lang na ako, class, kay medyo pangit kay tanawon. Isulat lang na to, balik si 4. Ayan. Another one. Ayan. Taga natin justisya. Di ba? So, let x is equivalent to 4. Substitute natin kay second equation. That is y is equivalent to 2 multiplied by 4 minus 4. Diba? Isang hitap din. Ayan. 4. Okay. So, therefore, that is y is equivalent to 8 minus 4, that would be equivalent to 8. Joke lang, no? Minus 4 pa man di ay. So, 4. Okay. Sa maning 4 na to, no? Tagala, pag-speech yan eh. Ayan, 4. So, therefore, yung first intersection nila between our two graphs is 4 and 4. Diba? 4 na to eh. Yung mga close. Ayan, 4. Diba? So therefore, ihapon na to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So muna ang first intersection nila. Okay, yung second, so therefore, continue lang natin. Let x is equivalent to 1. Okay? Substitute natin y is equivalent to 2 multiplied by 1 minus 4. And that is obviously 2 times 1 is 2 minus 4. Meron tayong negative 2. Diba? So therefore, our second intersection between our two graphs is 4 and negative 2. Okay, so if na to na siya, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ha? Saka alam ko, no? This is not 4. This is 1. Sorry. So 1 and negative 2. So 1, bababa tayo, 1, 2. So ayan siya. Negative 1 and negative 2. So obviously, dalawang graphs tayo. So, ang y is this one. Then, kanina na-discuss natin na y squared is equivalent to 4x, di ba? Nandoon kanina sa ating mga standard na graphs for parabola that is concave to the right. So, ayan siya. I-connect lang natin siya. Okay? So, therefore, meron na tayong graph. Meron na tayong figure. Therefore, we are, mas dool na tag one step further, di ba? So, daw ginastorya ni sir. Anyway, so ayan, meron tayong graph. So, proceed na tayo in determining its area. Okay ba? Ayan, so proceed tayo. So, as you can see, di na naman masigo ito ang solving. So, next slide na lang tayo. So, i-copy natin yon, di ba? Ayan. Copy lang natin siya. So, itong equations, di ba? Ayan. So, copy lang natin. Y is equivalent. Y squared is equivalent to 4x. That would be our first equation. And our second equation is y is equivalent to 2x minus 4. Ayan. Yan yung label, di ba? Mahirap na pag walang label. Anyway, so ito, ito gusto siya. Nauya po dahil niya. Ayan. So, for example, that, di ba? Parang, pangito wala yung magasulat. Ala, di ba? So, continue tayo. Therefore, meron na tayong figure. So, therefore, next thing is we will decide if vertical strip ba yung gagamitin natin or horizontal strip. So, recall natin ano yung dapat nating tandaan in determining if vertical ba horizontal. Anyone? Diba? So, ang dapat natin tandaan is that yung vertical or yung horizontal strip, dapat matamaan niya yung dalawang equation or dalawang graph. So, this is our graph 1, diba? And this is our graph 2. Diba? So, ito natin label. Tulungan tugsulat. This is our graph 1. No? Morning 1, no? Si curve. And this is our graph 2. Ayan. Okay. So with that, no, dapat ang pipiliin natin na strip is natatamaan yung dalawang graph natin at any point. So as you can see, pag horizontal tayo, no, erase natin yan, no? Try natin. Pag horizontal, dari maigo silang duwa. No, matamaan. How about in this area, no? So hindi. Pwede siya dito, pero pag di ng area, dili na siya pwede. So therefore, we cannot use our vertical strip. Ano yung sinabi ko kanina? Anyway, so ayan na, vertical strip. Vertical, horizontal. So try natin if pwede ba si horizontal. Kung wala di pwede sa ilaha. So therefore, you cannot solve that, di ba? So horizontal strip, pwede siya dito. Pwede siya, so I think pwede siya in other or in different points. So therefore, we will be using horizontal strip. So lagyan natin, for example, that is our horizontal strip. Take note, ang measurement natin dito is x and napakaliit na measurement which is papangalanan natin na dy. Diba? So, na-discuss na natin yung last time bakit dy, no? A very small amount of measurement. Para na siyang derivative, kumbaga, dy. Okay? So, that is x and then dy. Okay? So, padayon ka, class. Next thing that we need to do is to find its area. No? Mamagin na itong purpose diri, to find the area of this, no? Yung nasa between nilang dalawa or area bounded between the two. So therefore, lagay natin dito, area, di ba? Wala na tayong i-memorize na formula. Tayo yung gagawa ng sariling formula. Area ng ating figure is equivalent to the area of the strip. Then, gagamitan natin ng integration from lower limit to upper limit para masum o summation ng lahat ng strip. Di ba? So, take note, what is the area of the strip? No? Rectangle lang na, class. That is x multiplied by dy. And then, gagamitan natin ng integration, no, coming from the bottom, no, lower limit, papuntang upper limit. Ayan, pasaka ta, antod puno niya tanan, mapunan, di ba? Lahat ng pagkukulang, char. So, ang baba natin is dy man yung gamit mo, di ba? Yan yung clue natin. So, therefore, yung y na point yung gagamitin mo. -2. Diba? Yan yung clue na ginagamit natin. Whereas, sa taas, same naman sila. So, y gapon, 4. So, malapit na tayong matapos, diba? So, area is equivalent to, nag-erase man ito na ako appeal, no? -2, ang lower limit, upper limit is 4. Okay, so proceed tayo. Take note is dapat, no? I-define natin si x. Kasi wala mong sinasangko sa y-axis or sa x-axis, no? Nag-floating siya ba, kumbaga. So we will define our x in terms of our first equation and second equation, no? Para, no? In terms po sa ato ang y-axis, 'di ba? So therefore, 'di ba? Yung ako sa inyo, pwede siya magbaliktad pero dapat consistent lang ka. So in this one, this is our first graph. So therefore, it's tawag dyan, dimension. Hindi naman dimension. Yung sukat niya, Tagalog na lang nato. Papuntang y-axis, papunta dito na point is papangalanan natin x sub 1. Kasi 1 to, na equation 1. So kung magbaliktad na siya, baliktad na lang po x sub 2. Diba? So how about this one, no? Dritikas, that is our x sub 2. So therefore, diba? So ma-define natin na si x is equivalent to, sulat lang natin, class. Area is equivalent to, lagyan na natin na ang x natin would be x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Tama ba? Tama ba, class? Diba? So, tama mo siguro. Diba? Anyway, so x sub 2, that is yung mahaba minus yung maliit lang. So, therefore, x yung makukuha natin. So, lagay natin upper limit and lower limit. Okay? Next thing is substitution. Diba? Lagyan natin dito. This is our x sub. Lagyan natin ng first equation, second equation. Sabi ko kanina, consistent lang dapat. Consistent lang na siya. Okay. So, lagyan natin x sub 1. And this is our x sub 2. So, therefore, no, ato din siyang i-rewrite. Kumbaga, x sub 1 and x sub 2. So, in terms of x tayo. So, therefore, lagyan lang ko lang ng arrow, class, para, pwede naman siguro na this one too. So, kani, lipat lang natin sa PCAS. So, mahimo siyang x sub 1 is equivalent to y squared divided by 4. Klaro ba? Idikit na to, y squared divided by 4. How about this one? Magiging x sub 2 is equivalent to, lipat mo to sa kabila, magiging y plus 4. Tama ba? That is y plus 4. And then, divided by 2. No? Kaya naman na y plus 4. Ayan. Divided by 2. Pangita po doy. Hindi na madawat sa ched, no? So, lagyan natin ng divided by 2. Okay? So, para simplify lang natin, pwede naman yan na class, pero simplify lang good na to, no? Para nindot siya tanawon, y squared plus 2. Ba? So y squared, then 4 divided by 2 is 2. So rewrite lang natin kasi ang pangit tingnan. Pangit pag itag-agi, pangit pag hiwi pa na. So improve na lang nato. Ayan siya. Okay. So therefore, x squared is this one. X squared na noon. X sub 1 is y squared over 4. X sub 2 is y over 2 plus 2. Okay, try natin yan. Substitute mo lang yan, di ba? So a is equivalent to upper limit is 4, lower limit is negative 2. And then here, x sub 2 is this one. So substitute lang natin y over 2. Ayan. So lagyan natin ng open parenthesis dito plus 2. Ang dito sa plus. Plus 2. Close parenthesis. Minus yung x sub 1 natin, which is y squared over 4. Ayan. Diba? So therefore, ayan, proceed na tayo, diba? So, kulang ng dy. Diba? So there you have it, no? Muna itong goal sa atong finals, no? Or sa finals natin ng mga topic, no? Create na natin, no? Yung ating equation. Therefore, ang gagawin na lang natin is extra step, which is to evaluate this one. So simplify ni mo na, no? Then gamitan ni mo. As you can see, this is a definite integral. Therefore, substitute mo si 4. Integrate mo muna, sorry. Then substitute mo si 4 minus substitute mo si negative 2. Diba? So save muna natin ha. Baka mawala. No? Ayan. So save natin siya. Ayan, proceed tayo. Okay. So with this one, ang gagawin natin dito, kung i-estimate plus ba kung masigo pa ba siya? Masigo pa man guro. Sigo pa na. Okay. So ang gagawin natin dito is to rewrite then integrate, diba? So gagawin natin negative 2. This is our prelim topic, no? So I am expecting na kayang-kaya na to. So ang lisod lang siguro ani ang pag-formulate, diba? Pero pag ilani, no, maning-mani na ninyo. Sige. So simplify natin to. What will happen is that open parenthesis tayo. Y over 2 plus 2. No, pangkuha lang natin sa mga bracket niya para dili samok. Y squared plus 2. And this would become negative y. Sino nang gyapon, no? Panguha lang ako ang open and close parenthesis. Ayan, dy. Okay? So I think we can proceed sa ating integration. Diba? So ang gagamitin natin dito, no, palipat-lipat yung mukha ko, di rin na lang siguro. So ang gagawin natin dito is yung power rule. What is the formula for power rule? Integration of xn to the power x to the power of n dx is equivalent to xn plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So write lang nato class sa messy kasi tanawan n plus 1. Ayan. Okay, so therefore, dito tayo mag-uumpisa, constancy 1/2. So therefore, i-rewrite lang nato siya 1/2. What is the integration for y? Anyone? No? Wala man yung magtubog diay. So that is y, no, ang exponent na is 1, so y squared kasi 1 plus 1 divided by 2. So how about itong 2? What is the integration of 2? Padungagan lang siya og y, diba? Kasi dy tayo. Therefore, constant maguna 2y. So how about this one? Maling-manin nyo to. Diba? Y squared over 4. Take note, over 4 natin is constant. Ihiwalay lang natin para mas madali tingnan. Then y squared. So magiging y to the power of 2 plus 1. So to the power of 3. Divided by 3. Ayan. So close parenthesis. Then lower limit natin would be negative 2. Upper limit natin would be 4. Diba? So therefore, tapos na tayo technically. Diba? So sige lang, no? Ato na siya ipadayon. That is equivalent to this one. So substitute lang natin siya or i-rewrite na lang siguro nato daan class. Sige lang. Substitute na lang nato, no? Para i-write na lang nato para di mo magmahay. So, this is y squared. 2 times 2 magiging y squared over 4. And then plus 2y minus y cubed over 4 times 3. I think that is 12. Diba? Close parenthesis, negative 2 and 4. Okay, so nato sa mga pinaka-last na steps, which is substituting our lower limit and upper limit. So first thing that you need to do is to substitute the upper limit minus yung lower limit na naka-substitute. So 4 squared divided by 4 plus 2, 4. Pangitas akong 4. Ay, marang magbangko, no? So 4, ayan, minus y. What man kag-y? This is 4 cubed divided by 12. So close parenthesis natin yan and minus, diba? So another one is 4. So 4, negative 2 pala, sorry. Negative 2 squared divided by 4. Diba? Plus, another one is 2, negative 2, and then minus negative 2. I hope that masigo pa ni. Divided by 12. Ayan, no? So siguro masigo na ang final answer na ito. Diba? Okay? So let us try to calculate that and let us conclude what is the answer for this problem. Okay? So pagawas na to ang ato ang calculator kit. Ara. So ayan, yung calculator natin. So this one, no, calculate lang nato na 4 squared. Lagyan natin ng open and close parenthesis. Pero pwede na wala, no? Wala lang, para nindot lang siya tanawon. Plus 2 multiplied by 4, diba? Minus 4 cubed divided by 12. Yan. Tapos, another one is this, negative 2. Ayan, diba? So, na-lesson natin ni class, pag negative, dapat merong open and close parenthesis talaga kasi iba yung sagot na lumalabas if hindi siya naka-open and close parenthesis. Kasi pag ganyan, no, ang iisipin ng calculator is that ang squared lang niya katong walay negative, diba? So, para mas maganda, ayan. Equals, yan, 9. So, sa hinaba-haba ng ating solution, the answer for, or the area of this, no, two graphs, which is our parabola and a line, is 9. No? Okay, wala man tayo unit nga gihatag, so wala man siya unit nga gihatag. So, lagyan na natin ng 9 square units. Ha? Naiisip mo na ito gawin. Sige lang ha. Sibog na to. Oops, sorry. Kahit konti lang. Kahit konting pagtingin. Char. Para. Nasibog po siya. Okay. So, sorry. Para, ano siya? Siguro natin gamay. Gamay lang yan. Ayan. Okay. So, I think sigo na siya. Lagyan natin ng 9 units. Squared. O, di ba? Sigo pa siya. So, saan yung ruler ko? Anyway, so pwede naman siguro na kanina lang. This is our final answer. Okay? So, I hope that you have learned something for our example number 2. If you have any questions, no? Sige lang, i-chat lang ko kay Miss na punta mo. Char. Okay. So, proceed lang tayo mamaya sa ating example number 3. Putulin ko muna. Thank you.